In this video, I'll show you how to appear offline on ClickUp. ClickUp is designed for team collaboration, so it may show activity signals such as when you are active, editing, commenting, or working inside your workspace. If you want more privacy or fewer interruptions, there are a few settings and habits you can use to reduce your visible activity. First, open ClickUp in your browser or desktop app and sign in to your account. Then click your profile avatar, usually found in the top right or bottom left corner, depending on your ClickUp layout. Next, open Settings or My Settings. Look for notification, availability, or profile-related options. ClickUp may not always provide a direct appear offline switch like some messaging apps, but you can still control how available you seem to other people. One helpful step is to update your notifications. Go to your notification settings and turn off alerts that are not important. This will not fully hide your online status, but it can help you avoid constant interruptions while working. You can also set your status manually if your workspace uses status or availability features. For example, you may set a custom status like focus time, away, or do not disturb, depending on the options available in your account. If you are using ClickUp Chat or comments, avoid opening messages immediately when you do not want to appear active. Your teammates may still see recent actions, comments, task updates, or edits you make inside shared projects. Another option is to close the ClickUp browser tab or desktop app when you are not using it. This helps reduce live activity signals and prevents others from assuming you are currently available. For stronger privacy, you can also manage your work schedule and notification preferences, so teammates know when you are usually available and when you are not. So, while ClickUp may not always have a simple offline mode, you can appear less available by adjusting notifications, setting a custom status, using Do Not Disturb habits, and closing ClickUp when you are done. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.